stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. Speak in English. Whatever comes in your mind, just speak in English. Okay? When you start speaking English in front of the mirror, that time you can see your facial expression as well as your body language. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is me, Akanksha, and in today's video we will learn English in a very simple and practical way. Yes guys, okay. So many people want to speak English, but they have one big problem that they says I don't have anyone to practice English with. If you also feel the same, so this video is for you guys. Okay, don't worry about that. Today I will tell you how you can practice English alone at home. Yes guys, you heard me right. Even if you are alone, you can practice English alone at home and you can improve your speaking skills. Okay, so now I am going to tell you 5 methods which I do every day, and believe me, it helps me a lot, and I hope so it will help you a lot if you will do like this practice every day. Okay, so first method is that self-talk. Yes guys, self-talk means talk to yourself. Okay, I know it may feel strange at first, but believe me, this is very powerful way to improve your speaking English. So start with yourself first. When you will start with yourself, so that time your mind will start to thinking in English, and then after some time your mind will become comfortable with this language. So that's why I'm saying it, and no doubt it helps me a lot to improve my English, and you can see result in just 1 month. Okay, for example, you can take an object like toy, mirror, and you can take a picture, single picture as well, and just try to describe at least 2 to 3 minutes. Just fix a timer and try to describe the same thing. Okay, now we are going to talk about the second method, which is mirror talk, and it is also very helpful for me guys. And if you will do the same practice, then definitely it will work for you as well. Okay, just stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. Speak in English. Whatever comes in your mind, just speak in English. Okay, when you start speaking English in front of the mirror, that time you can see your facial expression as well as your body language, and that will help you to improve your build your confidence. And this technique is very helpful for me, and of course it will help you as well. Okay, so for example, you can do shadowing practice. It really works. Shadowing practice, it means just to take a one 30 to 60 second script, just try to repeat after that. This is called shadowing technique. If you want, then I will make a full video on that. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to talk about third method, and this is also very helpful for me. Okay, the third method is that just try to describe your daily routine. Like, I'm housewife, for example, I'm a homemaker and I'm mother too. Okay, so whatever I'm doing in my kitchen, like I'm making food, that time I try to speak English whatever I'm doing. Like if I'm cooking food, that time I can say I'm cooking food, I'm chopping vegetable, I'm making food for my family. In this way you can also practice with it. Okay, and this habit will improve your vocabulary as well as your fluency. Okay, so I hope you got it my point, what I want to say with you. Okay, so now we will going to talk about fourth method, and without this method you cannot improve your English. Okay, so you don't and that is learning vocabulary. You don't need to learn hundreds of words a day. You just need to learn 2 to 3 vocabulary and use it in sentence. If you will use like this, then for a long time you can remember easily. Last one is that consistency. You know what guys, many people start learning this language full of excitement, they will say like I will learn English, but you know what would happen? Just after a few months, after a week, they stop. you know, but you don't do this, so you don't need to give up. I think 10 to 15 minutes a day enough for you. Okay, so just try to regular practice at least 10 to 50 minutes a day. If you will regular practice, then you can see your result on some days. Okay, so I hope you got it my point. Okay, so I think it's enough for today. And if you found my video, if you found this video helpful for you, so please like this video and subscribe my channel, follow for more videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.